have, oh, this one is fun. This one is fun. This is our Dr. Groot scalp massager. So of course we have our Dr. Groot collection that has products to help with maintaining scalp health. And this goes right along with that. It's got these nice soft little nubbies here. And you use it by, you put your shampoo in, lather that up, and then you just gently massage with the scalp massager. I have a really hard time saying that. But it gives gentle exfoliation and deep cleaning, so it helps to clear clogged pores in the scalp that can lead to dandruff. It also stimulates the blood flow to the scalp, which promotes hair follicle and hair health. And again, they're like soft, flexible, so they're really gentle on the scalp and they don't hurt the hair roots. And super easy to use. You just slip your hand in and it gives a nice little massage. I've been using it for about a week or so, and I really do. It does feel so much nicer. And so I'm looking forward over time. I think I'm already starting to see a little bit less dandruff there, which will be a nice thing. So that's the Dr. Groot Scalp Massager.